like you need to meet many doctors for decide to that, because like doctors think, oh, it can like your disease will be okay, so you can live more than 1 year. So, but like, so I would say terminally ill patient. So, like you can't die if you have just small disease, right? So, yeah, some doctors say this one is suicide, but some doctors say it is not. And this law is based on Oregon State in United States, and five more states have this law. So Brittany Maynard moved like